Hi guys and gals and assalamu alaikum. My name is Noor and Khushamdeed to my channel. If this is your first time, so please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well. And if you're not following me on my other social media platforms, so here's my Facebook guys and here's my Instagram. आज की जो वीडियो है that is on shoes and I think shoes हर एक को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद होते हैं. आप लड़का हो लड़की हो, everybody loves shoes. Don't tell me you don't love shoes. Please don't. I believe हमारे यहाँ के जूते बाहर के जूतों की तरह ही हैं. They are no less. And I've tried to include the brands that have really comfortable soles and are stylish as well. I've tried to include the shoes that are not very conventional or traditional. So yes, but they do have that range as well. So without any further ado, here are my 5 favorite brands to shop shoes in Pakistan. First on the list is my favorite Grace Up. Now ये दुकान मेरी बहुत मन पसंदीदा है. ये जो है ये मेरी first purchase थी जब मैंने इनकी दुकान को relocate किया था. And you can still see it looks brand new. This is velvet you guys. This is velvet. ये पूरा velvet है. And this heel, my god, is so comfortable you guys. I actually just have a look at this shoe, like it's gorgeous. It's elegant. I feel इनके जूते बहुत elegant हैं. Now not all heels are comfortable, not saying that, but ये वाली heel इतनी ही comfortable है कि I wore it on New Year's Eve and I actually danced. And इसको कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, ये टूटी भी नहीं है. I was surprised. So yes, I think the quality is very good. मेरे पैर में भी दर्द नहीं हुआ था. It's a very good sole and इसके आगे का भी it just is very much bendy if you know what I mean. So they have Thailand made I believe shoes as well and those are just wow. Your size is anywhere like 42, 41 so you won't find it. But in their own brand you will. So ये बड़ी मज़े की बात है and I love the sole. I love the sole. I think you can wear these shoes for a good 5-6 hours and you will be fine. You can wear it more as well of course. But with heels I don't feel you should stretch it, you know.
Broke down in a courtyard, felt alone, hit restart. Life feels strange.
Moving on you guys, this next brand is also my favorite but इसकी story ये है for a good span of 2 years मैं सिर्फ इनके जूते जाके देखती थी because I used to feel कि they are pricey to be very honest and मुझे नहीं समझ में आती थी इनकी price points but then one fine day I was like नूर try करते हैं and I just fell in love. It's an experience so I will say their shoes specifically are really an investment and you will just feel wow. So this is the shoe that I have picked for you guys because I have always received comments and DMs and whatnot asking which shoes are these. So this is the very basic shoe. It's like a silver shoe and you can see this over here is like silver but it looks like a mirror finish or this is their I don't know what you call this but मुझे ये thick plastic type लगता है but this doesn't irritate like mostly आप पहनेंगे तो वो या बहुत ज़्यादा tight होते हैं या they irritate and this is with all their shoes. I will say that in comparison to Grace Up, their shoes are heavy a little bit. It just fits like a glove on your feet. This again is very nice. I do not know this is suede or this is something that is over here कि ये बहुत soft आपकी heel को बहुत अच्छे से जो है ना वो softness provide करता है and it doesn't really itch. This here is elastic but you can see how long this band is. So it's not a short band and usually a lot of women have really you know chubby ankles sometimes and that becomes a problem. So I feel इनके shoes के साथ you can find a variety of shoes that will fit you and they won't be tight on you. I want to talk about a brand जो कि बहुत सारे लोगों का मन पसंदीदा है and that is Stylo. So Stylo happens to be in the list just because I feel Stylo sometimes does that wow factor things, and I absolutely love to have those collections. So you can find sizes like 41, 42, but it's not always a luck thing. But I will say, when you do find something that is wow, so you should buy it. It does last, and the best thing about Stylo is the colors don't fade. The colors on the shoes and whatever it is, it doesn't fade that easily. That's what my experience is. So this is the shoe, you guys. Like, look at this. So this is how it is, you guys. This is so comfortable. If I have to tell you, like, literally you can do this and you can do this. This is that comfortable, and you don't really have to do it like this. Nobody will, I believe. But iski jo puri finishing hai, that is beautiful. So this, I like it because Stylo does this thing with their shoes where they blend the Eastern and Western trend, and it's like a fusion. So if you look closely over here, so this is like a gota thing going over here, and iske ye bhi jo tie hai, ye bhi gote ki tarah hai. So this reminds me of a Hussa sandal, a Kolhapuri Hussa sandal, you know, something of that sort, and that is why I got it.
But you showed another side of fake. I don't know you, don't want to. Left all your mistakes.
So my fourth favorite, which is actually my one of the first favorite, like it's a tie between Grace Up and this brand. I'm talking about Bourjoin over here. Bourjoin happens to be that brand जहाँ की मुझे from the chappals to the sandals सब कुछ पसंद है. Like, मुझे बहुत पसंद है Bourjoin. So you guys, this is the one that I've picked for you guys because this is the oldest one that I have, and I want to show you guys कि इनके जूते कितने last करते हैं. And I haven't been keeping them very nicely, to be very honest. So this is how the shoe looks. Just have a look at this. Like, nothing happened to this thing. Can you just see? Nothing happened to this. Nothing at all. This is the shoe, you guys, and this is what I'm talking about. If you want to buy ethnic or traditional kind of shoes, sandals, khusse, kolhapuris, they have a beautiful range of kolhapuris. Usually अच्छी होती हैं उनकी, and it's in a very good condition, not pristine, because I feel कि यहाँ से थोड़ा सा wear and tear हुआ है, which is my fault completely. But their shoes are really good quality. इनका जो sole है, I will be very honest, their sole is so good. Like, if you want to get shoes for your mother, आपकी वालदा के लिए आपको जूते लेने हैं, आपकी दादी के लिए लेने हैं, सास के लिए लेने हैं, नानी के लिए लेने हैं, any elderly person for that matter, then you should consider Bourjoin as an option. Bourjoin is fourth in the number क्योंकि it is a little bit steep in price as of now. I feel that Bourjoin has gone up in prices. But having said that, I will say that if your budget is anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000, you will find very great quality shoes and everyday wear shoes. I think so they are one of the few brands that actually sometimes do boots, and that's such a treat, honestly speaking.
Broke down in a courtyard, felt alone, hit restart life.
Alright, we are on the last one, you guys, and this brand is in the last because the price is a bit questionable to me. But if you go way back to, I think so 2015, one of my very first hauls, if you go back to those, ये मेरा favorite brand हुआ करता था. मैं आंखें बंद करके सिर्फ इधर ही जाके shopping किया करती थी. Now Regal is a brand जो कि मुझे feel होता है बहुत अच्छे जूते बनाता है, बहुत lightweight जूते बनाता है. And again, if you want to spend on shoes, if your budget is starting from, let's just say 3,000 and beyond, so you will find amazing everyday slippers over there, everyday very lightweight shoes, you know. So this is the one that I've picked for you guys. This happens to be my अम्मी जान. तो ये अम्मी की जूती है और she got it just now and yeah, it's absolutely lovely. Can you imagine the way this is made? This is made by the brand Regal, and just look at the way it's done. So this is, again, it has some cushion, it's very comfortable. These are perfect for people who are who have any feet condition, and also for those people who are elderly. तो अगर आप उन्हें खाने पे लेके जा रहे हैं, so for that time period they will love it, and अगर उनकी walk बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं तब भी they will love it. So yes, this is how it looks. And I will say one thing कि इनके भी जूते last करते हैं. Also they do not leave a mark on your feet, just like, you know, some cheap, not cheap actually, yeah, some very not that good quality shoes do. So that's what I really love about them. They are easy to clean. The material that they use is very easy. Like आप इसे बहुत आसानी से clean कर सकते हैं. You don't even need to wash these shoes. You literally can use just, you know, water and cloth, or sometimes a wet wipe does the trick.
Left all my mistakes 'cause I held your pain. I've hurt myself.
If you try any of these brands, so do let me know in the comments. Come back and please comment me. I highly recommend you guys कि आप इन brands को try करें. I'll see you all in my next one. Okay, so take care. God bless you all and stay fabulous because you are fabulous. Rab rakha, guys and gals. Bye.